Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review today analyzing WinWinBot, a tool that claims to launch your own online course with an interactive chatbot to support remote students. It's a chatbot for educational purpose, so that they're focusing on letting teachers and professors and people who are in the online e-learning business to create lessons and new ways to interact with their students using the chatbot. The deal is pretty cheap. You can get the tier one for $19, and this is a chatbot builder that lets you create interactive online course and track student progress to boost completion rates. So you're gonna use it to replace your LMS, or even to create mini course, or even to complement your LMS with, you know, new kind of lessons. And see here that if you get the tier one, you're gonna get the AppSumo plan, and if you get the tier two and beyond, you're gonna get the Pro plan. So the idea here is to, buy the tier one to test, and then if you like it, upgrade to the tier two. You need that to have the custom domain for your chatbot. But take a look at one thing. To get unlimited chatbots, you need at least the tier three. Because if you buy the tier one, have one chatbot, tier two, three chatbots, and to get really more use case, you will need the tier three. Then the chatbot is are unlimited. You can, create as many chatbots you want. Let's take a look at the tool. Here you can see the dashboard, and you will have a step-by-step tutorial for creating chatbot. So if you want to create a paid community, membership, mailing list, recruitment and training bot, quiz, test, or survey. So depending on your use case, you're gonna get their online school here, where you can just follow step by step to create your bots. You also can subscribe to their Telegram bot to receive news, and you can also pay them to create the chatbot for you. And if you want to create a new chatbot, it's a one-click button. Just click here, and you're going to select between the four platforms that they have here. I think here is Viper, Telegram, Facebook, and Instagram. For the sake of that review, let's try Facebook. You're going to connect your Facebook account normally. After that, you're going to select your page. You can start to create your chatbot by yourself, or you can use one of their templates. You can see that using the templates, it can be easier for you to create the bot. So based on a template, someone can just send the code. You're gonna add the code here, and you're gonna create your bot based on their template. For the sake of that review, let's create a new bot. Just click here to create a chatbot now. I'm gonna add an image for your bot, name, and the description. Here is my first bot. About bot language, those are the language that they have. They have many: Portuguese, Netherlands, Spanish, Italian is here, France, English. Okay, so for the sake of that review, the bot's language will be English. Click on further, hello, and then you're gonna select your welcome message. What your bot will say when someone starts. So, hi, nice to meet you. It can be a greeting. You can use emojis if you want, like that, and then go further. So people can subscribe to your bot using the link. I'm gonna just subscribe to the bot so I can start to use it. And then you need to use that link here to be the bot admin. Well, after you send that code to the bot, you are ready to go. Your bot is connected, and now you can create a new workflow for your bot. You see the number of subscribers here in your chat here on the left. You can create a mailing and send newsletters to your subscribers. On settings, you can add a bot domain. So you have your custom domain for your bot, change your bot's appearance and the language anytime you need. And here is where you're gonna use the bot to create the student workflow. Okay, so you see a chat where you can interact with your students for each bot. You can see the subscribers. You can send a mailing to your subscribers. So you're going to type your message here and you can attach photo, file, video, audio, or voice and send the mailing. And here on automation is where you're going to create your quizzes, etc. For instance, for the sake of that review, let's select here dialogues. And here we can create quizzes and tests for the subscribers. So create a new dialogue. So quiz 1. You can select your count points or not, view an application to start or not. Then you can start here to add questions. Question 1. And you can see that the bot template is, you know, the bot is well organized for the educational purpose. You're going to see a lot of different kind of questions that you can make. So questions with answer options, you can start here. Then you can say, here's my first question, and also add photo, file, video, audio, voice, and select different answer fields. Here you're gonna add the answer 1, answer 2, answer 3, etc. Oh, that's an overview, and then you're gonna, start to create more questions, etc. That's how you're gonna create a quiz. You can also create scenarios. So there are message sequence that will be sent automatically to your subscribers. So it can be a lesson, for example. You can create a webinar as a promotion, sign up page, website pop-up, subscription form, and also referral system. They have also that keyword feature. For instance, if someone send a specific keyword, that message will show up. Let's say you want to send secret materials to your students, and then your student types secret materials, and then they will receive a message with those materials. That could be the file here that you're gonna add here and upload here the file, and your student will receive it. Here on the scenario, you can schedule a new message to your followers, subscribers, and this can be a lesson. You can add your lesson here, pass links as well, using emojis and uploading photo, videos, etc. Create the lesson here and send to your subscribers on a specific date. So as you can see here, this is a bot to be used as for educational purpose. They create their user interface for that. Of course, I need to learn it a bit more. I'm going to ask some questions on AppSumo, but I think it has a creative use case. And if you want to use a bot to interact with your students, to be a new way, to create lessons, this can be outstanding alternative. I just added the link in the description so you can take a look at the deal on AppSumo and see if this is the best tool for you and if you have use case for WinWinBot. I hope you like that overview. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.